Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and this is Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Pro Plus 0.5% Power Serum. And I was recently to the dermatologist. They recommended a retinol for me to use nightly, every night. And so I started researching different retinols that I could buy over the counter, and I came across Neutrogena's. I really like this one because it is a very smooth serum. All you have to do is apply 4 to 5 drops into your palm, you massage it onto your face, and you're going to feel a little bit of a tingling. That's totally normal. I was worried about it, but it says right on the bottle that you may experience mild redness, a warm tingling sensation, or flaking, which is skin exfoliation, and that's normal. So I really like this product because it leaves my skin feeling very smooth. It does take a few weeks to notice a difference, but my skin is noticeably more smooth, and I can see those little fine lines and wrinkles starting to soften. So I would say that if you are looking for a product to help you with aging, then this one has been really wonderful. It's super easy to use, and it is Neutrogena, so it's also a very quality product, and that's my point of view.